Hey guys, this is Himanshu and this is the unboxing video of BenQ EX2510, which is a 144Hz display, and this video is also a part of the series I'm shooting right now, which is my dream PC build, which will be hopefully completed after the RTX 3070 is in the market. So I hope you enjoy the unboxing, and if there are any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. Hello guys, so today we have a new monitor to unbox. This is BenQ's Mobius series EX2510. So let's start unboxing this. It's pretty solid. So guys, these are the contents of the box. This is the warranty card and the user manual. So we'll be using it, we'll keep it aside. Then we have the I/O cover. We have this HDMI cable. Then there's this power cord for this monitor. Now let's open the monitor base. So this is how the monitor base looks like. It is a metal base and it has an orange accent, which you can see in the video. So now this is how the monitor box looks from inside. So first of all, this is a stand which is a little heavy. I did not expect it to be this heavy. So this is how the monitor stand looks like. This is very heavy, it might be around 2 to 3 kgs or something. So this is the stand which we'll be using for the monitor. So let's keep it aside. Okay, so guys, this is the stand and we'll be fixing the screws. There are no additional screws needed for this. Just you need to tighten this up and then you are done. Just put this and you are done with the stand. So we have our stand ready right now. So this is how the stand looks. This is the monitor, guys. We'll be unboxing this. So this is how the panel looks like. As you can see the Mobius logo over here. Now we'll plug in the stand on this monitor.